Hello dear viewers, welcome to another exciting episode. Today we're delving into fascinating facts from around the world. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the hidden wonders of our planet. Don't miss out, stay tuned. 1. In Switzerland, it's illegal to own just one guinea pig because they're social animals and prone to loneliness. Swiss law mandates that they must be kept in pairs or groups to ensure their well-being. 2. The Great Wall of China is not visible from space without aid. This popular myth is debunked by astronauts who have noted that it's challenging to see the wall with the naked eye from low Earth orbit due to its narrow width. 3. Norway knighted a penguin named Sir Nils Olav. This unique honour was bestowed upon a king penguin residing in the Edinburgh Zoo in Scotland in recognition of the close ties between Norway and Scotland. 4. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe. This illustrates the incredible complexity of chess, with an estimated 10,120 possible game variations. 5. Canada has more lakes than all the world's lakes combined, with over 2 million lakes. It's a country blessed with an abundance of freshwater resources. 6. Japan has one of the lowest crime rates in the world, and vending machines there sell everything from hot soup to sake. The country's emphasis on safety and convenience is reflected in the widespread availability of vending machines offering a wide range of products. 7. The longest hiccuping spree ever recorded lasted 68 years. Charles Osborne from the USA began hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990, an exceptionally rare and persistent case. 8. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Botanically speaking, bananas qualify as berries because they develop from a single ovary. Strawberries, on the other hand, are not considered true berries. 9. The national animal of Scotland is the unicorn, a mythical creature symbolizing purity and strength. It's a unique and whimsical choice for a national symbol. 10. Saudi Arabia imports camels from Australia, illustrating the global trade in these desert-adapted animals. 11. In Iceland, there is an app that helps people avoid dating their relatives. Due to Iceland's small population, the Slending Gap allows users to check if they are closely related before dating, reducing the chances of accidental familial encounters. 12. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to the expansion of the iron in the heat. The metal structure expands in hot weather, causing this iconic landmark to change in height. 13. There's a town in the USA called Hell, and it often freezes over during the winter. Hell, Michigan is known for its humorous name, and it indeed experiences cold winter weather. 14. Finland has the highest number of heavy metal bands per capita, with a vibrant metal music scene that has gained international recognition. 15. India is the world's largest producer of mangoes, a delicious fruit enjoyed around the globe. 16. The only royal palace in the United States is Iolani Palace in Honolulu, Hawaii, a historic site with ties to the Hawaiian monarchy. 17. The world's largest desert isn't the Sahara, it's Antarctica. A desert is defined by its arid conditions, and Antarctica is the driest and windiest continent on Earth. 18. In Bhutan, they measure a country's success by its gross national happiness instead of GDP. This unique approach prioritizes the well-being and happiness of its citizens over economic metrics. 19. The longest traffic jam in history lasted for 12 days and stretched over 62 miles in China, demonstrating the challenges of traffic congestion in heavily populated areas. 21. There's a small village in Japan called Nagoro, where the population of life-size dolls created by a local artist far exceeds the number of actual human residents. These realistic dolls, known as scarecrows, are scattered throughout the village, creating a unique and somewhat eerie atmosphere that's become a tourist attraction.